I am just looking for
Huh? You're looking for?
your love. एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, क्या मैं आपकी तस्वीर ले सकता हूँ?
Why?
क्योंकि मुझे अगर किसी ने पूछा चांद से भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत क्या है तो मैं उनको तुम्हारी तस्वीर दिखाना चाहता हूँ. My name is AJ. What's your name?
Shivani.
Shivani. Yeah. So actually, you're looking absolutely gorgeous. So I thought to say hi.
You?
कहीं चोट लगी है क्या आपको?
नहीं.
नहीं? Because like मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप जन्नत से गिरी हो तो इसलिए पूछ रहा था.
ना तुम जानो ना
You're waiting for someone?
Yeah, I'm waiting for a friend.
Okay. But I'm definitely waiting for you. Yeah.
You're very
So-
smart. Good.
I love you too.
Oh God.
See, it's amazing. I thought it's an amazing location, but now you're looking amazing,
Thank you.
and you're making this location amazing. Yeah. And by the way, my favorite food, my fast food, like favorite fast food is momos. I hope you like momos. You don't like momos? I know you like me.
Okay. Good one. This one good. I
Yeah.
use this, but
You'll use?
I'll use
I am
this
very
line.
possessive, yeah.
I'll use this line. I
On me
won't
only,
use
okay.
you.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah. I definitely want to be the reason of your smile.
लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
Okay.
Is your name Future by any chance?
No, it's Shivani.
Shivani. Because I can see my future in you.
But my name is Shivani, no?
Shivani. We can change your surname like Shivani Future.
Good.
Any which way शादी के बाद तो हम नाम चेंज करेंगे ना सरनेम तुम्हारा. हाँ.
Yeah.
I think it's not going to be removed because it's cuteness.
अच्छा था ये.
Yeah.
It's
I really like your smile. So
You want?
I want you. Basically, I want everything. You know why?
Why?
Because you are my
I'm
everything.
everything. I knew that.
Yeah, see? Now you're totally in love with me. That's why you know everything.
Oh God, it's like I can't talk to you properly.
Yeah,
हर
you-
चीज में, you know,
हर चीज में प्यार है क्योंकि हर चीज में तुम हो ना. You know, मेरे पास इतनी ताकत है मैं पूरी दुनिया को एक हाथ से घुमा सकता हूँ. You wanna see the magic? पूरी दुनिया को घुमा सकता हूँ मैं. मेरी दुनिया तुम हो ना.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. You just have to look into my eyes and say that you like me. Smile if you like me.
I'm not smiling.
You're not smiling. Yeah. Yeah, the reason why, because you don't like me, you love me. That's why you're not smiling. Now you will smile, see. So, I am just looking for
Huh? You're looking for?
your love.
मुझे लगा कुछ.
अब तुम्हें देखने के बाद और क्या मांग सकता हूँ मैं इस दुनिया से?
You're so confident into this. How? How do you do
because
this?
I love you. अगर हमें किसी चीज़ में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है तो वो चीज़ ज़रूर मिलती है ना हमें.
That is true. That is
That's
true.
true. मतलब तुम मिलोगे मुझे. You only said ना I'm confident.
Good.
नहीं यहाँ से देख ले. अब मैं यहाँ से देखना चाहता हूँ तुम्हें. Yeah. No, you have it. You like coffee?
A lot.
A lot. I should change my name then.
To coffee.
Coffee, yes. So that you can love me a lot.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
You
You're
can
a
simply
good-
say I love you.
you're a good. इतनी
है ना?
जल्दी नहीं.
10 साल के बाद बोलोगी तो यही बोलोगी ना.
मुझे 10 साल रुकना पड़ेगा. Like you have to wait 10 years to listen I love you. So
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं 10 साल रुकूंगा.
मेरी फ्रेंड के लिए आ रही है. She must see
क्योंकि
this.
तुम्हारा प्यार आ गया है ना, इसलिए.
Where do you stay?
In your heart.
Ah. No, but where do you stay?
Actually, I want to quarantine in your heart, like for 14 days.
Expensive हो जाएगा. You won't be able to handle it.
तुम्हारी स्माइल से ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव और क्या हो सकती है? It's $1 million smile.
Thank you.
Do you know how beautiful is your smile? Like, just look into my eyes. Yeah. So, by any chance you're dating someone? Why you're lying? You're dating me.
Oh, मुझे लगा you came to know about me. No, I'm not dating anyone.
Yeah.
सोच के बोला पड़ता.
But I am dating my dream girl, my angel, my
Very
दुनिया.
sweet यार.
Yeah.
I think you.
I think
you
हमें
can
डायबिटीज
get-
होना चाहिए दोनों को.
क्यों? Because
तुम
you
भी
both
स्वीट
are
हो.
sweet.
मैं भी स्वीट हूँ.
I knew this.
Yeah. We can go for a long drive, like if you have time right now, or we can go
Now?
for now. Yeah, now. हाँ.
फिर कभी
तुम्हारी हंसी के लिए.
इतना खुश कर दिया. I don't want to say no to you.
Yeah. But think before you say no, because you might be miss one of the greatest moment of your life.
What is that moment?
Love moment.
मुझे बस ऐसा कुछ बोलना है जिससे तू चुप हो जाए.
I love you बोल दो, चुप हो जाऊंगा. कर दो चुप मुझे.
What's your name?
People call me AJ, but you can call me tonight. Do you are a party person? Kind of party person.
तो कुछ था आगे. I was waiting for something. मुझे लगा अभी कुछ
नहीं.
होगा.
नहीं, मतलब बहुत कुछ हो सकता है आगे अगर तुम हाँ बोलोगे तो. You have that cute smile on your face, like it's killing me, you know.
You're killing me currently
Yeah.
with your words.
My words for you and my love for you is always be there. So you stay in Bandra?
Nearby.
Nearby, okay. Yeah.
Why should I stay in your heart?
No, I like ससुराल आना जाना रहेगा ना तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए ना ससुराल कहाँ पे है.
मेरा ससुराल कहाँ होगा? In your heart.
नहीं, तुम्हारा ससुराल थाने में. I stay in Thane.
Okay.
Yeah.
अरे उसको दे दे वो ले लेगी.
So nice to meet you. Like it was amazing. Are you on Instagram?
Yes.
What's your Insta ID?
Shivani Chess99.
Yeah, I'll definitely DM.
JAIS.
Cool.
Please do.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Yeah, have your coffee. Enjoy. Yeah, take care. actually we are shooting a YouTube video and a camera is there. Like it's kind of a prank
God, I
video.
thought this is real. This
No,
is
no,
not
but like
real.
it's actually real. Like I really love you. Yeah, your smile,
Thank you.
your eyes. Yeah,
This is for you too.
yeah, this is for you too. Can you just say hi? Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you. Have
Take
a
care.
nice day. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.